Looking for a fast, reliable text editor for coding? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through installing Sublime Text on your Windows PC, step by step, so you can start coding right away. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type sublimetext.com and hit enter. This takes you directly to the official Sublime Text website where you can safely download the software. Once you're on the Sublime Text homepage, you'll immediately see a prominent download button. The website automatically detects your operating system and offers the correct version for Windows. Click the download button and the installer file will begin downloading to your default downloads folder. The file is relatively small, so this should only take a moment. When the download completes, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the file to launch the installation wizard. The installer will first ask you to select where Sublime Text should be installed. The default location is usually in your Program Files directory, which works perfectly for most users. If you have a specific preference or limited space on your C drive, click Browse to choose a different location. Otherwise, click Next to continue. Here's an important screen many people skip through too quickly. You'll see an option to add to Explorer context menu. I highly recommend checking this box. What this does is add Sublime Text to your right-click menu, so whenever you right-click on any file or folder in Windows Explorer, you'll see an option to open it directly in Sublime Text. This is incredibly convenient and saves you time when you want to quickly edit a file. After selecting your preferences, click Next. Now click the Install button to begin the installation process. The progress bar will show you the installation status. This typically takes less than a minute. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, you'll see a confirmation message. Then click Finish. To launch Sublime Text, click on the Start menu and search for Sublime Text, then click on the result. The application will open with a clean interface, ready for you to start coding. You may see a license notice, but Sublime Text offers an unlimited free trial with full functionality. You'll just see an occasional purchase reminder. You now have Sublime Text successfully installed and ready to use on your computer. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, HTML, or any other language, this editor provides a fast and efficient environment.